Hi, this is Matt from Prestige Quoting, and this short video is a sneak peek into some of the playing around really that I've been doing with Power BI. Power BI is a dashboard and analytics tool created by Microsoft, and it allows us to integrate with databases such as Microsoft SQL that QuoteWerks works with, and it really gives you dashboards, interactive reports, analysis on your QuoteWerks database. So unlike the QuoteWerks reports, which are very useful, but really presented in a very column row format, Power BI will get that data out visually, giving you what is the same information, but in a completely different format. So if I open Power BI, this is live linked to my QuoteWerks database. And just as I say, I've only spent a couple of hours with this, so this is relatively basic, but gives you a bit of an insight. What I'm able to see are things like the quotes by value, accepted quotes by value, total number of quotes by user, number of accepted quotes, and I'm then able to maybe set that down to a certain date period. I could even drill into a particular week if I were interested in that. Open quotes by location are going to give me again a graphical but a map view. So here I've got all of my open quotes, so quotes that haven't yet been won or accepted, and I've got all these clients plotted on a map. Now I use this if I'm going to maybe pay some client visits and I might be travelling some distance. I'll have a look and see, is there anyone I could pop into on the way or on the way back from that client visit. Similarly, I've then got all of my client orders, again based upon location. So like with my open quotes, I might see that if I'm doing perhaps a half day on site, is there anyone I could pop to on the way back? Top customers and items, again, who are my biggest clients by spend? Who are my biggest clients by spend for the first 3 months of the year? And I've also got my top items by revenue. So sorted by manufacturer part number, what value of items am I selling, and also what are my top items by quantity. I'm able to have a look at all quotes that have not yet been approved. If my quotes have needed approval, which of those have not yet been approved. And I can even set maybe monthly or quarterly targets, and I can see where I'm doing towards those targets. And then finally in this example, anything in red is going to be a quote value, and anything in green is going to be an order value. So I can see that for my top customer, I've actually done £21,000 worth of quotes and received no orders. For the second, I've done nearly £9,000 worth of quotes and received about £6,500 in orders. So I'm really able to identify where is all the red and where is no green. Are there any clients that are obviously just using us for pricing but are never placing any orders? Hope you found that interesting. It's certainly an area that I'm going to be investing some time in, because I really feel that being able to get this information in a graphical format really does give you almost a dashboard of information that you can rely on. As I say, these tools will transform, analyze and visualize your data, and you can share these reports on the web as well. If you've got any comments, I'd really appreciate your feedback.